gauge how many people visit Blackpool. I'm just going to show you the sky because there's a bit of cloud and there's a plane going over somewhere right over my head. Don't get you too dizzy. It's a stunning day. I'm going up the promenade. So you can go from Stargate all the way up to Fleetwood Ferry. But I would highly recommend, if you're coming to Blackpool, get off at Stargate and just walk a bit further south to a place called St Anne's. It is a stunning place, and they have a gorgeous beach, a pier, and they're doing a lot of refurbishment at the minute there. So it will have all been completed, I guess, when you're watching this. So there's Central Pier. Let's walk to the end here, and then I'm going to finish the video because I'm going to go and have a nice cup of coffee. I'm going to sit down, and I might even have fish and chips for the fourth time. No, you've got to have the fish and chips when you're in Blackpool. But yeah, if you're watching this for the first time, you never heard of Blackpool, you come along for the illuminations, and there's also a fireworks festival now as well. They do the world fireworks. So there you go, guys. I might be back here in August actually for they have an event at the Winter Gardens. I like to attend. May do for the weekend. So thank you all for joining, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, like, share, follow. Just watching these two people out in the sea. Last week I put my feet in the sea in Cleveland, and let's just tell you it was a little bit cold, even though we're at the end of May. What a beautiful day. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, pop your facts about Blackpool Tower in that comment section. Finish with a view of the tower. I actually don't think I'm going to get across this part. I might have to walk up a little bit higher up because it's a bit wet. I'm not walking back. Oh well. Oh, it's really running quite. It's really running quite fast. This is not good. I didn't bring my towel. Alright, I'm going to have to do this very fast. But, oh no, this is bad. Let's go a bit further down. It's so wet. And we're stuck here. Oh well. Here we go. So far so good. My socks are 100% dry. I'm going to keep the camera running to 40 minutes, so you may only see it up to 9 minutes. Go and watch the rest. enjoy the views.